Okay, this is a how to change the third brake light, which is on the rear wing spoiler on this 96 to 2000 Civic EK hatchback. Basically, in order to change this third brake light up here, that's part of the spoiler, you have to take the whole pieces off. So the tools that you're gonna need is a 10 millimeter socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and the replacement bolt is 921. So basically, what you have to do is you have to remove a piece of plastic that's up here. This piece right here kind of just goes on here like that, and it just you can just pop it off. Once you pop it off, there are 4 nuts that are holding it onto the tailgate. There's one up here, there's another piece here, there's another one here, and another one down here. So, and these are 10 millimeters. And then you also have to pop off this piece here in the middle so you can snap the whole thing off. Once you remove the spoiler, it's fairly straightforward. There are basically, you have to use your Phillips screwdriver, and then there's 2 screws holding down, one here and one there, that are holding down the light. So you will basically remove the 2 Phillips screws, and then you can pop this light out. And then this piece here, you kind of just lock it in place. You can just turn it counterclockwise to remove it. And then to install everything back up, just go in reverse order. Thanks for watching.